Ooh. Oh god, how am I gonna sit down with this? Oops. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, today I am a living shiny disco ball. I felt like, I don't know, I wanted to put something very festive on for whatever reason. So I thought, hey, let's choose this dress. I hope that the camera is gonna focus properly because of all the shimmering. Yeah, so what do we do today? Today we talk about my wish list 2021. And there are so many exciting bags on my wish list that I just want to talk to someone about because the cravings are real, people. It's unbelievable. I would say let's just start with my biggest craving at the moment, which is the Fendi Peekaboo, and it's called, I think, Iseeu, if I pronounce that right. And it is the lace Iseeu Peekaboo in black, and I've tried this model on several times already, I think in my shopping vlogs, so some of you might have already seen this model, and it is stunning. And I feel like like there's probably a peekaboo for every woman, you know, because they come out with so many beautiful styles. And this is me. This is my Fendi Peekaboo, and I absolutely love it so much. And yeah, we have to see. I mean, obviously it's a seasonal piece, so I'm a little bit worried, you know. I've waited very often for too long and then I couldn't get my hands anymore on a certain bag, so we see what's gonna happen. I have always loved Fendi Peekaboos. I know I've just gotten the micro Fendi Peekaboo in the beautiful lavender pink. But I've always been a big fan of the Peekaboos. I've so far had only my large one and now the micro one, because I feel like with the mini, the black mini, you know, and the black nappa leather with the gold hardware, it's a beautiful bag. It's been on my wish list for years, but this one is always available. You know, it's not like you have to get it as quickly as you can. You know, it's always going to be there. You can buy it whenever. So this one is the exact opposite. So I don't know what to do. I absolutely love it. And yeah, I think this needs to be in my collection because I have, at the moment, I have like 3 bags that are somehow embroidered with flowers. This one is the 4th one and it needs to find its way into my collection, hopefully. So please, people, keep your fingers crossed for me. And yeah, then we see. Yeah, next up, like I said, is the Fendi Peekaboo in the mini size. I once tried on this beautiful embroidered version as well, but I think I just want to go for the classic black one because I could see that bag being an everyday bag, you know, and if you have sequins like that on the back, then I think you have to be very careful with it, again, not to bump into anyone or, you know, I don't know. But yeah, that one's still in my wish list as well. Yeah, okay guys, so that's everything about Fendi. Let's move on to Gucci. You guys know I have sold my beautiful Gucci Marmont in the mini size and the rubin velvet, and yeah, seller's regret is the real thing. One of my friends, Chrissy, hi, if you're watching, she has already said when I decided to sell it, like, you're gonna regret this and don't sell it, you know, you love that color and that material. But I don't know why, I felt like, yeah, I didn't really see the Marmont in my collection anymore, and yeah, she was right. And I am 100% sure that I want to replace that one with the model that's a size up and embroidered with these beautiful flowers as well. They are basically like stitched into the bag, and I've been waiting for a bag like that to pop up on Fashion File again in a really good condition. They currently have one only, but it's like it already has like dents underneath the bag on at the bottom and stuff. So, you know, I'm just waiting basically for that bag to pop up in excellent condition, and then it might be mine. Okay guys, then let's talk about Louis Vuitton next, our big love, right? So from LV, I definitely want to get the beautiful Louis Vuitton Spring Street in the rose vernis leather. I made my decision. I don't want the black one, I want the rose one, but that's a seasonal piece too, so who knows for how long they're gonna have this available. We see, but it's absolutely stunning. I tried it on several times as well, you might know that. And yeah, it's on my wish list too. Then I really want to get, so a couple years back, I think it was 2006 2016 or 17, Louis Vuitton brought out this beautiful, and I tried it on in store, this beautiful Petite Malle with black blossoms on the front. I really like flowers. I don't know why I like flowers so much on bags, but yeah, I just noticed that now. So it is absolutely stunning, and of course the Petite Malle has a really, you know, high price tag on it. So at the time I was still studying in my master's degree, and I just couldn't buy it. I couldn't justify that. So now I am hunting this bag again on the pre-loved market. There was one recently, because I think this is really difficult to find because it's so rare. But one popped up recently on Reebok. However, it had a lot of scratches, so I couldn't, you know, couldn't take that one. I still want my bags in my collection to be really pristine and beautiful. But yeah, I will keep my eyes open. If you ever see it popping up somewhere, just let me know, please, because I love it so much. Then in terms of Louis Vuitton wishlist bags, it really hasn't changed from last year. I still want the Louis Vuitton Capucines MM in the black Turian leather with the gold hardware, and the Louis Vuitton Capucines BB in the galet with the beautiful python handle. However, they have discontinued the Capucines MM sizes entirely. Like, you can't find any Capucines MM anymore on the Louis Vuitton website, and I was like, what? I could understand that they discontinued the GM in the past because that bag was huge and like sagging, but the MM size, yeah, I don't know, so I might have to get it from the pre-loved market as well. I mean, which is good because like usually Capucines you can get a lot cheaper on the pre-loved market than retail price. Okay, then let's do Chanel quickly as well. I mean, I think my wishlist really hasn't changed a lot since last year either. I know I want to add a Chanel 19 bag at some point. However, I do not know which color. I've seen so many beautiful colors. Initially, I was like, oh, it's Chanel, let's just go with like the black and gold. But like, there are so many beautiful colors, like this anemone, you know, pinkish color, berry color. You know, they come out with such beautiful shades of purple that I'm not 100% sure. I think once I see the perfect bag, I will know and then get it. But I only know that I want a medium size. Not the small, not the large, but the medium size. That would be my ideal size, I think, but color-wise, I don't know yet. Okay, then of course the classics, the Chanel Jumbo in caviar leather with gold hardware, and the Chanel Reissue 2 to 7. 2 to 7? Yeah, I think I would still want the 2 to 7 in the beautiful aged calfskin with gold hardware as well. Two classics. Definitely want them. Prices just, you know, keep climbing, so might look for them on the pre-loved market as well, but who knows, we see. And then last but not least, I also still want to add a vintage Chanel flap from my birth year. That would be absolutely amazing. And also like the medium large size, and also the jumbo size that I tried on in Japan, the XXL jumbo size. I think it's beautiful. It's not too big. You could actually fit a laptop in that bag, and those bags were still real gold plated. The gold is such a beautiful rich gold. It's so stunning, so I definitely want to add that one too. And I think that was it. For anybody who wonders why I don't have any MS bags on my wish list, I said it several times before as well. They are in an invisible corner of my wish list. I really want to get everything else I really crave first before I might, you know, look towards MS at some point in the future. So yeah, that's definitely all the stuff I want to get now. So yeah guys, I think that was it. Let me know what's on your wish list 2021. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. And yeah guys, have a wonderful week, and I see you again soon. Bye!